Hello, it's Simon here from Andover Norton and welcome to another back in stock video. We've got loads of items that have come back into the warehouse this week, so let's take a look and see what they are. So you may have seen the video about this the other week. We have the valve grinding suction tool, a bit like the one Paul was using in the video. It's part number 131944 and it's £3.54 including VAT. To go alongside that, we've got the valve grinding paste as well, which is part number 131945, and that's just £4.75 including VAT. This is something we've had a lot of people asking about recently. It's the electric start conversion kit for a Commando with the positive earth. It's part number 067287, and that's £2,136 including VAT. Next, we've got the clutch friction plate for the Triumph 500, 650 and 750 twins Barnett, part number 131925, and that's £22.07 including VAT. And finally, the gasket cylinder head 750 eyelet, part number 063844, and that is £14.70 including VAT. And don't forget, if there's any item that you can't find on the website, you can get in touch with us on the technical hotline upstairs, and Simon and Ash will have a chat with you through those items. Or if there's something that you've been looking for a while and not been able to find it, have a chat with those guys and they will make sure they can help you out as best as they possibly can and find you either a solution or somewhere else you can get it. Okay, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.